Welcome to Market Peeker. A breakout is one of the most exciting events in trading, signaling the start of a strong price movement. Let's explore what breakouts are and how to trade them effectively. What is a breakout? A breakout happens when the price moves above a resistance level or below a support level with increased momentum. It often marks the beginning of a new trend. Types of breakouts. Bullish breakout. The price breaks above a resistance level, signaling potential upward movement. Bearish breakout. The price breaks below a support level, indicating potential downward movement. How to trade breakouts. Identify key levels. Use trend lines, moving averages, or chart patterns to spot strong support and resistance areas. Wait for confirmation. Ensure the breakout is supported by high volume to avoid false breakouts. Set entry points. Enter after the price closes beyond the breakout level. Manage risk. Place stop-loss orders below the resistance for bullish breakouts or above the support for bearish breakouts.